They said chickens could never fly, but they can. Come on, chicken! I just proved a point. Chickens can fly. If you believe in all magic and all that stuff, chickens will fly. What a wonderful chicken. See? But chickens can fly. Yup. But unfortunately, like in every video, they always have to die because they're chickens. But nobody loves chickens because chickens are just very ugly. Yeah, I think I proved the point here. Chickens are very lively and stuff and are nice chickens, but always they have to die because they're ugly chickens. So yeah. Yeah.